Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by measuring the mattress width and the exact height you want the headboard. This controls scale and proportion. Once done, cut the plywood back and the 2x2 frame pieces to those dimensions so everything aligns. Make sure to label each piece as you cut to avoid confusion during assembly. You're establishing the structure now because a square, solid frame prevents twisting later, so use straight cuts, clamp while cutting, and set parts aside neatly for the next step. Now you build the frame and attach the plywood back so the headboard is rigid and flat. Screw through the 2x2s into the plywood for strength. Next, bond high-density foam to the plywood. This gives the headboard its cushion, smooth batting over the foam to hide edges. Then position your fabric, pull it tight, and staple from the center to the sides to avoid wrinkles. Make sure seams and pattern lines are aligned. Take your time folding corners for a clean finish. Finish by deciding how you'll mount the headboard. Install a French cleat on the wall or L brackets on the bed frame for solid support. Once mounted, add trim, nail head trim, or tufting to elevate appearance. Seal or paint any exposed wood. If you notice sagging or puckering, take it down, retension the fabric, and add extra batting where needed, and verify bracket alignment with a level. Finally, make sure screws are tight, and test the headboard by leaning on it gently to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.